We'll start our max class. Already we have started third lesson. Take out page number 106. Take out page number 106. Here they have given the example. See there? 4 rules we have already finished. Right in the Hindu-Arabic system they have given there. Examples they have given. So let us see how to do. Only no need to write. Only you understand. Okay? So first one what they have given? IV. IV means it stands for 4. So it stands for what? 4. Next one they have given here X, IV. So X means how much? 10. X means how much X is it is given? Only one X. So we'll write 10 plus IV means it stands for what? 4. So 10 plus 4 is how much? 14. Understood all of you? So you have to split this one. How you will split this one? If they give like this, you can write easily. But like this, if they give, what you have to do? You have to split and you have to write down. So X, only one X it is there. So we'll write 10 plus VI, V means 4. 10 plus 4 is how much? 40. For example, X, V. If they give like this, X means how much? 10. Plus V means how much? 5. 10 plus 5 is how much? 50. Understood all of you? Then X, V, 1, I. If they give like this, X stands for 10 plus V means 5 plus I means 1. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Understood? You have to split and you have to add and you have to write down. Next one you see, they have given next X, 1, I 2 times they have given lines. So how much it is there? 2X it is there. How many X are there? 2X. 2X means 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus they have given 2 lines there. So 2 lines means how much? 2. So 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Understood all of you? Now see here, X, 3 lines if they put 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 1, 2, 3. So 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Like this you have to split and you have to write down. Understood all of you? Next here, no need to copy down this one. Here first we'll write the table, then afterwards you can easily understand that one. So here, now third main you see, exercise 1, third main you see. Now you try to write the Roman numerals they have given. First we'll write the table, then easily you can write those first and second main you can only do. So first we'll do the third main. Now you try and write the Roman numerals it is there now. First we'll write that one. Understood? All of you copy down. Sharp your pencils all of you. First we'll write that one. Here, what they have given? First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to write the Roman numerals. So how you will write? 1 means, you know, 1, like this you will write first main. How you will write first main? No, like that you can write. I, 2 means 2 lines you will put. Next 3 means 3 lines, not more than that one. You cannot put more than 3. So any numbers you have learned the rules. The repetition of addition, repetition of symbol means addition. However, we cannot repeat more than 3 times, not more than 3 times. So 1, here 2 you can write, then 3 you can write. For 4, IV. Understood? Next 5 we will write. Next VI. Next V, 2 lines. Then V, 3 lines. So this is 8. So copy down fast. 1IX. IX is what? 9. For 10 you will write only 1X. Understood? So 1 means I, first main, 2, second main, 3, third main, 4, fourth main, like that. How you will write mains now? For writing mains you will use now, like that you have to write down. Understood? Next, copy down fast. Next, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you write first I, then if you write X, it will become 9. Now what they have given? Last is 10. 11, if you want to write, how you should write 11? Write X, then I you have to write next to this one, X you have to write I. Understood all of you? See here, 11 means 11, how you will write this one? How you will split this one? 10 plus 1. For 10, how you will write? X plus, for I, how much? What is the value of I? 1. 10 plus 1 is what? 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. So how you will write this one? X plus I. X plus I you will write like this. Understood all of you? Here I have splitted 11. How you have to split this one? 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is how much? 11. You will write how much? When you add that one, you will get 11. So the value of 10 is what? X plus 1's value is I. So if you add this one, how you will write? X, I. Understood? X, I. Next one, second one, you see, you don't copy down this one. To make you understand, I have given this one. Understood explanation? Don't copy down this one. Next one, 12th one, you see? 12. 12, how you will split this one? 10 plus 2. 10's value is X plus 2 lines you will draw. If you add this one, how much it will become? X, 2 lines you will write. Understood? So it is become X, 2 lines you have to put. So that becomes 12. Next 13, X, 3. 3's value is how much? 3 lines you are going to put. So 10's value is X. So X, 3 lines you are going to write. Same how you are writing the in same way you are adding X here. Understood? Y means in this 10 plus 2 it is there, 10 plus 3 it is there. So group of 10 it is there. Understood? 10s it is there. So we will write X, I. Understood for 11. Next, X, 2 lines you are going to draw. Understood? X, IV. 4, how you will write? IV. X I am writing for tens value. 10 it is there in the 14s. Is here in 14. If you split this one, 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4, the value of 10 is what? X. Plus, for 4, how you will write? IV. So when you add this one, X, IV. Understood all of you? Next, 15, how you will write? XV. Copy down fast. Next, XVI. One line you are going to put. Next, XV. 2 lines you are going to put. X here. 17, when you split 17, 10 plus 7. So, 10's value is X plus 7's value, 7, how you will write? V, 2 lines. So, when you add this one, how you will write? X, V, 2 lines. Understood? Copy down fast. Next, X, V, 3 lines. Finish it fast. Next, 19, how you will write? X, I, X. So 20 means 2x. You are going to put how many x? 2x. Copy down fast. Don't copy this one. Only the table you have to copy. Finished? Shall I clean first? First one, this one. Next. (21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So next. So next 21. How you will split this one? 21. This splitting I am showing now. Don't copy this one. Understood all of you? 21. So 21. How you will split this one? 10 plus 10 plus 1. 10 plus 10 is what? 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So how you will write this one? The tens value is x plus another one tens value is x plus for 1 stands for I. So how you will write x, x, I. Understood? How you will write this one? 21, 10 plus 10 plus 1. If you split this one, when you add this one, you will get 21. How you will write in Roman numerals here? The tens value is x. The tens value is x here. Plus 1 means I. Add this one, you will get 2x I. 2x I. So only 7 letters are used. You know, no? 7 letters are used. Which are those? I, V, X. Then which one? X, L, C, D, M. Only these 7 letters are used in this when you are writing Roman numerals. So X, X, I. Next, how you will write? X, X, 2 lines you will draw. Understood? X, X. So 3, 23. 20 we have written. 3 means 3 lines you are drawing. You are drawing how many lines? 3 lines. Not more than that. You should not repeat the letters more than 3 times. Not repeating. Next, 24. 24, how you will write? X, X, I, V. Finish it fast. Don't copy this one. Only copy the table. Finished? Next, 25 they have given. So 25 means X, X, V. X, X, V. Next, X, X, 6 they have given. So 6, how you will write? V, I. Next, X, X, V, 2 lines. Next, X, X, V, 3 lines. Next, X, X, I, X. 9 means how much? Here, 9 means I, X you will write. 20 means 2X. See here, 29. How you will split this one? 29? 10 plus 10 plus 9. So for 10 we'll write X. Another one 10 will write X plus 9. How you will write 9? I will write, then we'll write X. So when you add this one, X, X, I, X. Understood? Next, last one is 30. So 30, how you will write? X, X, X. 3 times we have written X. Not more than that. We cannot repeat the letters. Finished all of you? Copy down fast. $31, $32, $33, $34, $35, $36, $37, $38, $39, $40. So how you will write this one now? 31 they have given. So 31, how you will split this one? 31 now? 31, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 means 1. So 30 plus 1 is 31. 30 plus 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So 10's value is X plus X plus X plus I. So how you will write this one? X plus X plus I. So we are using 3 times X. We are using how many times? 3 times X. Understood? So write down X, 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 I. Next, X, 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 2 lines. Then X, 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 3 lines. Next, 34. How you will write 34? 3X, X, 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 I, V. 3 times X you are writing, I, V. Next, X, 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 35. 5's value is V. Write down. Finish it fast. Next, 36. How you are writing 36? X, 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 V, I. If you write I this side, it will become 4. If you write I this side, it will become 6. Don't get confused this one. Understood? First, if you write I, then if you write V, it will become 4. If you write first V, then I, then it will become 6. Understood, all of you? Next, X, 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 V, 2 lines. X, 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 38. 38 means V, 1, 2, 3. Next, X, 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 I, X, 29. 40, we can't write 4x 4 times. Can we write? No, only 3 times you have to repeat, not more than that. So we'll write for 40's value is XL. L means how much? L means how much? 50. X means 10. So the value of 40 is XL. XL you will write, not more than 3 times we cannot repeat. So we'll write for 40 XL. Understood? Copy down fast, all of you. Finished? Next we'll go to the first main. Exercise 1, it is there now. Then easily seeing the table you can write the problems easily. So let us see the first main. Shall I clean this one? Pause and copy down. Okay? Next, first main, write the Roman numerals for each of the following. They have given first one 18. So how you will write 18? Don't split. Orally you can see. If you don't know means you can see the table there. Yes or no? You can see the table and you can write down. So 18 means X, V, 3 lines. So 18, X, V, 3 lines you are going to put. Next one, D, 13, X, 1, 2, 3. X, 3 lines you are going to put. Next, 21. So 21 means how much you'll write? X, 2 times you are going to write X and you will write I. Next, D1, 32. 32 means how you will write 32? 30 means 3 times X. 2 means 2 lines you are going to write. Next, E, 27. So 27, how you will write 27? 2 times X you are writing. V means how much it will become? 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. They have given 27. So draw 2 lines. Understood all of you? Copy down fast. If you don't know means you have to see the table. This table I have given now. Now just we did know this one. You see that one and write down. Understood? Homework is what? Learn and write. Roman numerals 1 to 40 they have given now. 2 times 2 times in homework book. So Roman numerals they have given us this table. You need not to put boxes and write. You can write like this. 1, like this you can write. 2. In your homework book, you have to write 2 times. Like this you can write. How you will write tables now? Next like this. 11, like this. 12, 13, like this you write. You write the answer. Next 21, 22, 23, like this you can write. 2 times you can write. Okay? You have to write this one. Don't draw and set table everything. Only write the numbers like this. How you will write tables now? The same way you write in the homework book. Understood all of you? Copy down fast that one. Finish it fast. This is your homework. You have to write in the homework book. Learn and write Roman numerals 1 to 40 2 times in homework book. Next, second main. Write the Hindu, Arabic numerals for each of the following. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for each of the following. Next one to see what they have given. You have to write the Hindu Arabic numbers. So first one, V, 3 lines they have drawn. Second one, ABC. X, X, V, I, C, X, 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 I, V, D, X, X, 2 lines. Next E, X, V, 2 lines. So you can see this one. V, 3 lines means it stands for V means for how much? 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So write on 8. Answer 8. Next, you can see they have given 2x. Yes or no? How many x they have given? 2x. 2x means how much? 20. So you know you need not write 20 there. So x means 20 plus v plus I. So how much it has become? 20, 25, 26. Understanding all of you? You can do here only orally. You can split and you can write. 1x means the value of x is 10. 2x means 20. 3x means 30. Here, how many x they have given? 2x. 2x means how much? 20. V means how much? 5. The V's value is how much? 5. I's value is what? 1. So 20 plus 5, 25 plus 1, 26. So we'll write 26. Don't get confused. Understood, all of you? Next one you see, here they have given 1, 2, 3. 3 x's are there. So 3x means how much? 30. 30, I means 1. V means 5. Yes or no? So here what they have given, V means 5. Here 1, 5 they have given. I, V means first you can see, if you write this I next to this one, V it will become 6. Here means how much it will become? 4. So 30 plus 4. Understanding all of you? I have told the rule also. So how much it will become? 34. So this one is 34. Write down. Understood all of you this one? No confusion here. If you write fast, then if you write V, it will become 4. If you write V fast, then if you write I, it will become how much? 20. It will become 6. 36. Here in the question, how much they have given? I, V. They have given I, V. So 1, 2, 3. So how many x's are there? 3 x's are there. I, V means 34. Understood all of you? Don't get confused. Next one, D1. You can see how many x are there? 2x. 2x means 20. Next, how many lines they have given? 2 lines. 20 plus 2 lines means 22. 22. Next, last one, x, v, 2 lines they have given. Only one x means how much? 10. 10 plus 5 plus 2. 2 lines are there, now see here. 10 means that the x value is 10 plus v's value is 5 plus 2 lines means 2. 10 plus 2, 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Understood all of you? You can split and you can write down. You have to learn this one table, then only easily you can find out. Understood all of you? I've given homework. You practice. You should learn that one. Not keeping simply writing and closing the book and keeping. You have to learn that one. For next test, you will be having this one. Roman numerals you will be having. Then addition you will be having for the test. Next test. Understood? Don't write this one. To make you understand, I've given. Finished all of you? Finish it fast. Next, 4th and 5th main we will do in the next class. Thank you, students.